Hello, welcome to my week 9 summary. And so this week, my group managed to get a lot of stuff done. We were able to get our car functioning, and everything is perfect, like the sensor and everything. So starting on Monday, we finished the car, but there was a problem with the car. So basically, we have to redo the car because one of my group mate accidentally like solder on the wrong side of the circuit board, so it caused the metal part that connect the wire to melt. But so we have to make so our initial plan to fix it was to like solder everything out and put it in a new circuit board because our professor, well, we thought that the professor doesn't have any extra new part of the car. So yeah. And on Wednesday, thank God to my professor David, thank you, we were able to get a brand new car kit that like conclude the part and the circuit board, so we didn't have to solder everything out and put it back in. And it was really simple from there. We used the model from the last car and just put every stuff inside the circuit board. And we like tweaked some stuff because there was some minor problem with the parts because we put it in the wrong order, I think. But all of that we managed to finish. We managed to finish putting the car together in like under an hour and 45 minutes, which is pretty crazy because after we tested on the infinity ball track, we got it working on the first try. Although there was some problem with the wheels, but I think we can fix it. So I learned a lot of stuff about working together because like when me, Jeffrey, and Babor work together on the project, we just get done so quick. Like before that, it would take us like 3 days. So, but when we working together, we work really well together. So that's what I like. But from all the learnings, I didn't really learn anything new. Well, maybe yeah, nothing actually. So outside of class though, I did spend about like 2 hours outside of class just doing the discussion, catching up my discussion, and just see what do I need to do. But yeah, that's it.